You naughty boy, naughty boy. Nothing, it wasn't me, it wasn't me, right? It wasn't me.
You're mental.
I don't know. I think the elves have been up to no good.
What's my flowers doing there? What? On the fire. I swear to God, you put the koala on the fire. I will put the fucking elves on the fire.
Naughty, and him, they both teamed up.
No.
Naughty elf.
No.
Naughty elf.
No.
Nasty.
Should we go play for that tree too?
I was waiting for that to happen. Fucking idiot. Why did you put it on there for? Did you not think it would not do that?
No.
I thought I'd record it going crazy. Wasn't expecting that.
Right.
I think the elves have been up to no good again. What's all that at the back of the fire?
So.
Run away. Right, so for everyone who doesn't know what's going on, this is the last night of the elves. Elves have stolen the cars, okay? The cars, this is the Jeep. They've drove it into the tree where the ferry door, this is where they exit to the North Pole. There's the North Pole. What we've done, we've took my mum's phone, dropped it on the floor, I've run over it, we've smashed it, we've got her a new one, and she doesn't know it. She's a bit pissed, but this is our plan. This is our plan. She's gonna be so fucking angry. The naughty little elves.
That was my fault. I have to sit on the fucking way and point it off.
I had to go backwards and forwards over it a few times to break it.
She's dead. She came in, smashed it.
It's not working. Alright, cool, that's fine.
Let me just go show Carl.
Right. I've backed everything. I've already backed everything up before I smashed it. Everything's like taken off. It's completely a white clean. We've got our new phone. We've got our Galaxy S10. And God, this has taken like 4 hours. I gotta speak quietly because she's just there. It's taken like 4 or 5 hours just to plan this and get the fucking thing off of her. Right, anyway, it charges. So I can make up some bullshit excuse like I can save your stuff, mummy. I can save all your files, and she's not very happy. She's up there in a bit of a state. But yeah, we've got our new phone. This one's fecked, but I've got all the stuff on my laptop anyway. So look at the state of it. I had to go backwards and forwards over it just to make sure I broke it because I wanted to kill it. But I wanted to I had to drive over it to smash the screen, but I had to make sure it was completely fucked. We need to make it look real. I'm not going to get all the stuff off in like 2 minutes, am I? So give me like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then bring her down. I'll tell her I got it all off, all right? I'll show her what I've got off, okay?
Yeah.
Just, chill her out and keep her busy for 10 minutes. We have life in the face. Still working. I can't believe it's still working after I drove over it with 2 tons and a wheel spin 4 times. That's unbelievable. It's not even a brand, it's just Android. It's not a Samsung, it's not an LG, it's not anything. It was 25 quid. And it survived. I'm shocked, man. I'm impressed by cheap shit. It's fucking glass. Stop it. That's evil. You're fucking nasty.
I don't mean this, Carl.
Nasty.
He's up there going this. Feels so bad. Feels so sick. I could be sick. He rushes to the toilet like this and he's going
He's a good actor then, isn't he?
He's fucking brilliant.
Right. I got all the stuff. I'm just wasting time. It still works. It still fucking works. It still recognises a USB device.
Is it?
Yeah. We didn't kill it enough. We didn't do it.
You need to go run it over a bit more.
No. We've done enough. Look. But it's getting glass everywhere, so be careful.
Right, so start bringing my...
Yeah. I'll bring laptop up now. Right. I can't Snapchat the rest of this until tomorrow when we give her the phone. You're going to have to wait till tomorrow to find out what happens. No, because people on Snapchat are wondering what's happened now because we were filming the elves and then all this kicked off. So what's happened? No, you tell them what's happened. What's happened? What happened?
I fucked up.
Yes.
I put Suzanne's phone on your bonnet and you just fucking crossed it and killed it.
No, don't blame me for this. Don't blame me. That's nothing to do with me. I didn't check my car for phones on the roof and stuff.
Happened? So you were doing all that kind of carry
We
on.
had to put on the light on the phone to see where we were at.
So you were filming it?
But my phone won't come on my phone, and I took your phone. There was something there. And
My
I
head.
asked you 3 times.
no, that was before. That was before I said I hadn't, and I came flying back in. You were down there.
Yeah, because you're already in here by then.
Yeah.
So who's to blame?
You were missing it. I seen the phone sitting there, and I fucked off out with it and put the fucking light on.
So who crossed my phone?
He did.
Yeah, because you came
No, that's I didn't know it was under my car, did I?
You came in and asked me and your mum looking for a torch.
Yeah, because my headlight wasn't working. My headlamp, my thing on my head, my torch. Yeah, that thing over there, the head strap headlamp.
Basically, the phone's fucked.
I know because I never took her phone, did I?
No, it was me that took it. I put sitting on fucking Ben's fucking bonnet.
And I asked
Fix the
you,
fucking app.
did you take my phone? You went no.
So
That was
the
before that.
irresponsible adult,
Right,
the
okay.
irresponsible adult,
Yeah.
put the phone on your car,
Yep. No, your car.
my car,
And you ran over it. Adult.
which I didn't know about,
Well, he
obviously.
didn't know about
I didn't know
put the
about it.
phone-
Am I let off? I've got no part in this, have I?
You ran me over my fucking phone. How can you not
High
have your
five.
part in
I
it?
can't. I'm gonna have to be with your mum on this.
Fuck
'cause
you.
I'll get a beating.
Fuck you. Whose do you want? Do you want her phone or my phone? Because
I do not need a phone.
she can have my phone because
She had my phone, 'cause your phone's crap.
I ran over her phone in my car.
So
she-
you're taking the blame now, then, yeah?
No, because it's me that put on the bonnet.
So have my phone, okay?
For the next 2 days, I don't give a fucking shit. I ain't having a phone. I am not going to work, but I kind of am.
Yeah, take pictures of girls and everything.
No, I'll
But
take
I have a
pictures.
camera charged up.
There it is.
Alright.
Yes.
There it is. Next to the spokes.
Good old
camera, innit?
fucking yes. And it fucking works.
Right, I'm going to bed. See you in the morning.
Yeah, it's because I took the highlight in that. I forgot the deal on that one.
You forgot the D on that one?
Yeah.
You forgot the D on that one?
I forgot the deal on that one.
Husband.
Hey,
This is for husband on all of us.
I forgot the D.
To wife from husband. Right, try and carry this with one hand. This is going to be impossible. Oh, there's a door.
Well, you got it all open at once. Ah!
There's a little card on there as well, look.
Ah, it's got a bunch of flowers for once. You feeling alright?
It's from husband.
Yeah, but you feeling alright?
Yeah, yeah. Because it's a very special one from our
Very,
baby.
very special from us all.
Very special.
Very, very special.
Very special. Very, very special. Very special. What is it?
I don't know.
It's very special.
Who wrapped this up?
Me.
What?
Very, very special.
Yeah, it's very special.
Is that the same as what you got?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, right, we got that one wrong, Annie, didn't we? Right, come on.
Just wait.
Weird.
Oh, what's that?
Alright,
What have you got?
cable. Oh.
Oh, now we can put our lights outside without having to run them out the
I
window.
was looking for cables.
Maisie, yay! Maisie!
Hope you got. one looking? Where's money? Did you do that on purpose?
What?
What?
Ran over my phone.
It wasn't us, it was
Pair of bastards! Oh, you fuckers! That's. Oh, you Really?
Oh,
It took us about 4 hours to get your phone off you and get out there because the plan had to change its time.
Getting sick of the toilet.
It took forever to try and get your phone off you.
Firstly,
You are a lazy person.
he had it in his pocket and you snatched it out of him.
Because there was no battery on it and I wanted to call. Oh, you.
Do you like it? It's like,
It's ready to go.
yeah, it's all set up.
Everything's ready. Everything.
So much.
Every photo, everything is on it. We had your phone before that.
Yeah,
And
you're going to have your stockings now.
Don't drop it, okay? And break it.
He is waterproof though.
Yeah.
It's the waterproof, that's not the problem. Just don't drop it. And that's
Can you even show it at me?
Yeah, one minute.
Happy Christmas.